Good afternoon, dear students. I think we can start, right? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I think we can start, right?
Yes, sir.
So in previous class, we described that is proposition and two types of proposition, negation and conjunction, right? Negation, that was the original. Negation means that the original statement negative, negative of the original statement, that is negation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And another conjunction, that was we are dealing with two propositions and we are going to derive the relation, and we are telling that is a conjunction means if two propositions, individual two proposition, and conjunction, that will be true if if both are true, right? Otherwise false. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Up to that was our, yeah, uh, second second class lecture. Today we are going to define four or five definition if possible, okay, and some relevant math or example. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Now conjunction we have finished. Now disjunction. Disjunction. Disjunction as like conjunction, that is when both are true, that is result is true. Disjunction means if both are false, then result false, right? If PQ are false, then false. If PQ are false, then false, otherwise true, right? The definition is let P and Q be two propositions. Let P and Q be two propositions. The disjunction is denoted by disjunction. Conjunction we are denoted by like this sign, and disjunction is denoted by like this sign. Okay,
Sir, is like a totally opposite.
opposite.
Yes, sir.
It's like or totally opposite. Okay, Habib.
Yes, sir.
Disjunction, that was true. Result we have defined in disjunction P and Q. This result is true. When it is true, Habib? When P and Q individually true. When P, this is also
And
true. Q also true, right?
yes, sir.
And now coming to the disjunction. Disjunction, this result is false. This result is false. Disjunction will be false. When it will be false? When
When when P equal to true and Q equal to, that will be false.
when both are false, then result false.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In disjunction, in conjunction, when PQ individually true, result true. Disjunction is just opposite. Disjunction is false. When false? When P and Q both are false. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Its result is false. So the definition is let P and Q be two propositions. The disjunction is denoted by like this sign P disjunction Q. Disjunction is false when P and Q are false, otherwise true. Otherwise true. So if you draw the table, if you derive the table, so what will be the truth table? P, Q, and then disjunction PQ. So TTFF,
Sir, every part
yes,
we need to table. Sir,
yes,
every
honey.
part we need to table.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
yes, that will be better. Ummehani. If you give definition with table with example, that will be good, right? Huh? So
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
so TF TF. Now disjunction. When it satisfies this condition, only the last one satisfies this condition, right? According to the disjunction definition, the disjunction says that when P and Q individually false, then result false. So according to the definition, we can write over here false, rest of otherwise true. So we can write TT. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Understand,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that is disjunction. Do you have any question about disjunction? Dear student, if you have any question, you can raise.
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't understand because of my poor net connection. Can you please repeat it again?
Yeah, honey. Conjunction, in conjunction, we have written conjunction. This conjunction is true. The conjunction is true when conjunction is true. When individually P and Q are true. When both are true, then your conjunction result is true. Otherwise false. Right, honey?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
coming to the disjunction. Similarly, just opposite. Disjunction, you are telling this
Yes, sir.
disjunction is false. In conjunction, you are telling true, but disjunction is here false. In conjunction, you are telling TT. Here, similarly, when disjunction is false, honey, when P and Q individually false, right?
Okay, sir. Now I understand. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sir,
Thank you.
sir, uh, disjunction only when both are false, then false.
Yes, yes, Mehdi.
Otherwise, always it's true.
Or the other is true.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, exclusive or another proposition, another compound proposition, exclusive or let P and Q be two propositions. We have to consider two propositions, P and Q. So disjunction is denoted by P disjunction, sorry, exclusive or. Exclusive or is denoted by like this sign. Exclusive or is denoted by like this sign. So P exclusive or Q. This is true. It will be true. The exclusive or will be true when it will be true when exactly one is true. Exactly one is true, not both. Exactly one. Maybe P true, Q false, then true, or P false, Q true, then true. Exactly one is true. When exactly one is true, then exclusive or is true, otherwise false.
So like that, it X or logic gate type.
Yes, logical or, right?
Yes, sir.
Logical or. As for example, according to the definition, if you draw the truth table between these two proposition P and Q,
So
P
both are,
exclusive, yes.
so when both are true, this time.
When both are
It will be
true, already
false.
we have covered as a conjunction, right, Munna?
Yes, sir.
Already we have covered when both are true, that is conjunction. When both are false, that is disjunction, right, Munna?
Yes, sir.
Now, when exactly one is true, there is a chance maybe one is true, one is false, first one is false, second one is true. There is a chance, right? So it
Yes.
covers the exclusive OR.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if one is true, so you can draw the table TF. So this is not the exclusive OR definition. This is not both are true. That is not the exclusive word definition. What is the word definition? Exclusive word definition states that this exclusive word is true when exactly one is true. I mean exactly P true, Q false, then true, or Q P false, Q true, then true. Right? Do you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise false.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise false. So according to the exclusive or it satisfies the second one, that is true. This one is true. Why it's true? Because exactly one. In between this T, only one T. In between this, only one T. Right? So exactly one. Exactly one is true. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. I
sir.
can
This is
Yes,
understand.
sir.
these two
Yes,
satisfy this
sir.
exclusive or definition. These two propositions satisfy this or exclusive or proposition. It satisfies the otherwise. So otherwise means false. Okay.
That means when both are same, then this is false, and when
No, no.
one
Honey. When both are same there are two types. Are they
Yes.
true or false? If true, then we have covered as a conjunction. Okay, honey.
okay, sir.
If you are telling both are same means what? Maybe true, maybe false, right? Maybe both are true, that is same, or maybe both are false, that is same.
Hello,
Right, honey?
sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Sir, sir. Hello, sir.
Sign. Yes.
Sir, here is when exactly one component is true, then it will be true. Otherwise, it will be false.
False, according to exclusive or,
Okay, sir.
right?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Honey. Honey.
yes, sir. I understand.
Uh, please do not mix it. If both are true, then conjunction, otherwise false. We have already defined. When both are false, then result false, that is disjunction. Right, honey?
Yes, sir.
Now, if one is true, another is false. One is true, one is false. So that is exclusive war. That is exclusive war, right? That is exclusive war.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, next one is conditional statement. Conditional statements. Now coming to the conditional statements. Conditional statements again between here we have to consider two propositions. Let P and Q be two propositions. We have to define the conditional statement. That is P tends to Q, something like this. P tends to Q. That is the conditional statement. Conditional statement is denoted by like this sign, or it's called also implication, but there is no in your book. That is only given the conditional statements. That's why I'm saying. So P conditional Q, P conditional Q, that is false. That is false. This result is false. Okay. The conditional statement is false. When it's false, dear student, when P is true, this one is false. Otherwise true. Do you understand or not?
Sir, please fill it again.
No, sir. Please say again, sir.
Okay, Rafi. This is the conditional statement. P and Q, we have to consider two propositions. One is P, another is Q, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the conditional statement says? Conditional statement says, and it is denoted by like this sign. So P conditional Q, P tends to Q, P imply to Q, something like this. P tends to Q. So when this is conditional statement, this whole thing is
Sir,
conditional statement. I mean proposition. Yes, you have.
sir, I can't see the sign of the conditional statement, sir. It's outside of the board, sir.
Would you please rotate your or auto? You can use your auto rotate option.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you can just use your auto rotation option. Then I think you can minimize this problem.
Yes, it's okay now, sir.
Okay. So P conditional Q, P conditional Q. This conditional statement is false. This conditional statement is false. When it is false, dear student, when this P proposition is true and Q proposition is false, then you can say this conditional statement is false.
False. Otherwise
Otherwise
true.
true.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, Q have to be true. Otherwise, it is false.
Q,
Have to be
if Q
true.
is true,
True, then it is
yes.
true. Otherwise, it is false.
Okay. As for example, Rafi, something like this. Maybe there is a chance Q conditional to P, right? So what will be the condition? What will be the conditional statement for this?
Sir,
Here,
Q
Q
equal be
is true,
true.
P
P
equal
yes,
false.
equals false.
and P false, right? I mean, first one true to false. I mean, as for example, you are moving from true to false, then result false. Do you
Okay, sir,
understand?
got it, sir.
Look, just true. You are moving from true to false, so that's why its conditional statement is false, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you draw the truth table, so according to the conditional statement, only this one satisfy, right?
Yes, sir. It will be false.
Only this satisfy, that is false. So according to the conditional statement, can you say, is it satisfy anything? I think
No,
maybe
sir.
no, right?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is true. Rest of are true. Is it clear?
So only when P is true and Q false, only then this time is false.
Yes, and that is called the conditional statement.
Okay, sir.
eh? And that is called the conditional statement. Okay, Mehdi Hassan.
Yes, sir.
So again, we are telling, don't mix it, don't mix up. Actually, how many things we have learned? One is conjunction, disjunction, exclusive or, and conditional. Right?
Conditional statement.
Yes, sir.
There are four. Except forget about the negation, since this is the negative. So these four. So if you summarize this one, when both are true, result true, that is conjunction, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise false.
Yes, sir.
Conjunction done. When both are true, result true. I mean conjunction true, otherwise false. That is the conjunction definition. Now coming to the disjunction. Disjunction means when both are false, disjunction false, otherwise true, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now coming exclusive or.
Yes.
Exclusive or means if exactly one, maybe P or exactly one true,
True,
that is
then it will
or.
be true.
Exactly one true, then result. I mean exclusive or is true, right? Otherwise false.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes,
And
sir.
and now actually maybe you can say this is a part of exclusive or. Exclusive or টা এরকম ছিল না, first one is true or exactly one is true, then result is true, right? Exclusive or.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One is
but
true, then true.
but yes, but conditional statement, it says the another thing. If P is true, Q is false, then result is false, and its name is a conditional statement or implication or something like this. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question? If you have question, please raise your question, dear student. And after finishing this class, inshallah, within days, you will get the whole lecture. I mean, this foundation logics, you will get whole lecture. Okay, you can download from Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
So conditional we have done. Conditional statement we have done. Now biconditional statement. Conditional done, biconditional statement. Biconditional statement. Now honey present. Honey.
Sir, in biconditional statement, P equal to, when P equal to false and Q equal to true, then that will be false. Am I right, sir?
Bicondition, I mean if and only if relation. If and only if. If and only if relation. If and, how to write only? If and only if. If and only if relation, that is called mathematically. Eh? There are two sides. Maybe you can move there to there. Two
Sir,
ways.
biconditional means, sir, yes, sir, this sign, sir, yes, sir. P and
This is the biconditional
yes, sir.
sign. So biconditional is true.
Sir, P and Q are same,
Biconditional is
both.
true.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can move. How can you move? If both are same, I mean same direction, same
Then,
dimension,
yes, sir.
same way, then you can move from here to here. So maybe if P true, if you say, if you want to move from P to Q, so P true, if Q true, then you can move. As for example, for our simplicity, we can consider, right? Nothing else. So if you want to move, so definitely your level or dimension that will be same. So that is called biconditional. So if P is true, then definitely Q also it will be true. I mean same the truth value that Honey state that the same truth values. So same truth value, maybe P true, Q true, then biconditional is true.
True.
If P false, Q false, then biconditional is true,
True.
right?
Yes, sir, true.
Do you understand? So here focusing the same truth values, not which one is true or false does not matter. Same values, same, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But specific when true, then conjunction. Specific when false, both are then disjunction, something like this. Do you understand? But when both are same truth values, same means maybe both are true or maybe both are false. That's why here same values, right? Same values cover these two conditions. Maybe both are true, both are false. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So biconditional, how can you write down the biconditional? Biconditional statement, if you draw the truth values, which one satisfy the biconditional?
The first one and last one.
First one and last
Sir,
one, because
sir,
T
yes,
T
sir.
same,
Two.
this is the same truth values.
Then
FF,
false,
this is the
false,
same truth values, right?
yes,
And rest of are false,
false.
according to the biconditional. Sign or sign, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or do you have any question?
No, sir.
So would you please someone help us? How many proposition we have learned, and can we summarize this shortly? Can you summarize this, Jobair?
Yes, sir. Sir, we learned, sir, from first to last is five proposition. First one is conjunction. In first one, conjunction, when both are true, then it will be true. And then
Very good.
one this conjunction is when both are false, then it will be false.
Very good.
Then exclusive, or if exclusive, or if first one is true and last one is false, then it will be uh, false,
No,
and
it
then
No, no, no,
this is
sir.
not. Yeah,
When, sir, exactly one
yeah,
is two, then it will be two.
exactly. Jobair, you are telling maybe exclusive
Yes, sir. Exclusive. No, sir. Conditional,
conditional
maybe, sir.
statement.
Yes,
Conditional
sir.
so
statement.
yes, sir.
Huh?
Uh,
Exactly. When you are telling exactly one, Jobair, exactly
yes, sir.
one, then conditional.
Then
Then
condition.
it goes to
Then
conditional,
exclusive
right?
one.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Jobair. Then
Then, sir, if we say biconditional statement, then if and only if their relationship, if first one true, then second one should be true, then it will be true. And
yes,
if first one should false, if first one false, then second one should be false, and it will be true. Otherwise,
yes.
all time is false.
Very good. So is it clear, dear student, or do you have any other question?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, clear.
Hamim Hassan, are you with us? Another, since this is the biconditional statements we have learned, and another example that is given in page number 9. In page number 9, I think this is very easy thing. Do you know what is the assignment operator, dear student? Do you know the assignment operator? I think maybe you know.
The equal sign.
If 2 plus 2, 4, then
কি অফ করতাম কিছু বলছে
so what will be the value of x? Try to understand the question, Rahat sir. My question is, what will be the value of x? What will be the value of this x if x equals to 0 before this statement is encountered? If x equals to 0, if you consider x equals to 0, so what will be the value of x?
1.
Okay, what will be the value of x?
Sir, 1.
Okay, Khaja Minhaj, I'm coming later. I'm going to ask a question, okay? What will be the value of x? That is given in page number 9. Example number, you can check there. What will be the value of x? What about the other student?
Sir, 1.
Redwan, 1.
Yes, sir.
What about the other? What will be the value of
1.
it's 1?
1, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
1, sir. 0 plus 1, 1. It's equal to 1.
So what about the x clone equal to x plus 1?
okay, I have another question, parallel question. Okay, same question. X equals to 0. If x equals to 0, if you use this, so what will be the value? This is not given in your book. This one is given. Now, what will be the value?
This is also 1.
This is also 1. Okay, Minhaj, you answered this question. So how can you answer this one and how can you answer this one? Would you please explain and listen carefully? Minhaj is right. Your answer
Sir,
is
if
right.
it
I
is
also know the
1,
answer.
then what about the clone sign?
Sorry, Mehdi?
Sir, if it is 1, then what about the clone sign? X clone equal to x plus 1, you write it.
That is not clone sign, that is assignment operator.
Oh.
Mister. This is not clone
Sir,
sign, this is
sir,
assignment operator. হ্যাঁ,
Assignment operator is means x is equal to x plus 1, x plus plus and x such that is equal to means x plus plus. That means x plus 1. Then if the value of x is 0, then 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So both side is 1. X is equal to 1 in both equation.
for both one.
Yes, sir. Because
Okay,
x is equal to 0.
okay, Minhaj. I am coming later. Would you please tell me the reason? How can you say this one? Both result are one.
Because sir, x is equal to 0.
হ্যাঁ,
If x is equal to x plus 1, then x plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. Then x is equal to 1.
I
That's why.
know, I know. You are very good in math. Definitely, Minhaj. But I want to know the reason. How can you say this? Not calculation. That does not depends on the calculation. Calculation is a small part, right, Minhaj?
Yes, sir.
This is also good. This is also good.
So because x
But how
value
can
is
you say,
0.
okay,
Sir,
Sanjida? Sanjida, how can you say it's one? Just tell me the reason. Would you please explain this line? Would you please explain this line in programming language?
sir, assignment operator is the operator to assign a new value for the variable.
হ্যাঁ, assignment operator that assign the new value. Okay, that's good.
Sir, also sir, x assigning to 0. That's why we can use it 0 about x. That's why
But
sir, 0
but
plus 1 equal
but
1.
okay. Habib, that's good. Calculation good. But there is a step, there is a procedure. How
Sir, can
can
I
how can
explain,
the
sir?
compiler read the line? How can the compiler read the line? The compiler read as you like you think. Habib,
No sir, no sir, no
Habib, the
sir. Now I can
compiler read
understand
as
sir.
like you think. Yes, yes.
Sir, can
Labib,
I say,
maybe you are.
sir?
Farhan.
Sir, here, sir, 2 plus 2 is equal 4, which is true, sir. And then
Very
the
good.
x assignment x plus 1 is executed where x value is 0. So 0 plus 1
Very good.
equal 1, the answer is 1, sir.
Very
It's
good.
correct,
That's
sir?
like a programmer, huh? That's good. Then the compiler first reads this line, this statement, right? The compiler first reads this line. Since it is true, then it will be executed, right?
Yes, sir.
Since it is true, then it will be executed. Now we can say that is x plus 1 equals to, if you assign x equals to 0, then you can say yes. So 0 now its new value is. But what about this one?
Sir, here it is
Farhan.
same, sir. 2 plus 3 is equal 5, which is true, sir.
Oh, I cannot 3 this year. Oh, sorry. This is my mistakes. Actually, I'm here. I to say it's different. I'm sorry for this.
Sir, then this is, sir, the
Oh,
value is false, sir. So the answer will be
okay.
0,
I'm
sir.
sorry for this, dear student. I actually I want to ask this question. There's a different, not same. Huh? That was not point. Oh, that's why you are telling one both are. Oh, my question was wrong. But I'm sorry. I want to make it different. Do you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that is the thing. So what will be the value here?
Sir, here
Oh,
the
you are
answer is
right. I'm
false,
sorry
Answer is
sir.
for
the
this.
false
You are right.
0,
All
sir.
of
0.
so this line does not execute it, right?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
compiler does not read this line, this assignment operator. So when you assign this 0, so that value it will be 0, right? Okay, very good. I know you are very good programmer. This is my mistakes. Actually, I want to make it different, but I don't know how can it is equal. Now, can we make the compound proposition? Can we make the truth table for compound propositions, dear student? Only one we can try because we have there are five. We have gathered some knowledge about the proposition, so we can derive some compound propositions. Can we try? Because our time limited, we can try only one math. Okay?
Yes, sir.
There will
We
be a
can try.
question from like this. এরকম একটা কোশ্চেন থাকবে আপনাদের construct the truth table for the compound proposition. Question is something like this. I am just copying from page number 11, page number 11, 8th edition book, page number 11. Construct the truth table. Construct the truth table of the compound proposition of the compound propositions as like P conjunction then negation of Q, right? Implication, I mean conditional statement, right? P, oh, sorry, this is disjunction, this is conjunction. I'm sorry, disjunction and conjunction. So can you make this truth table? How many column you have to derive? One for P, another for Q, another for negation of Q, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Negation
sir.
of Q. Then another this compound disjunction, right? P disjunction negation of Q, right?
Yes,
Another
sir.
is conjunction, P conjunction Q, right? After finishing this, then you can make the last line. So negation of Q means just opposite, right?
Yes, sir.
Now disjunction between this two one, this line, disjunction between this one and this one, right? So what
Yes,
will be the
sir.
disjunction? What will be the disjunction? It satisfies this one only,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir. One, sir. FF. Yes, sir.
This is only F. This satisfies this disjunction condition, only this line,
Yes,
only third
true.
one, this one and this one, F. So rest of
Yes,
are
sir.
true, right?
Otherwise, sir, two. Yes, sir.
Otherwise, we have written otherwise. So we have done it. Now conjunction P and Q between. So this one only satisfies this conjunction, first one, right?
Yes, sir. True.
So according to this, we can write D and rest of our F.
F.
We have done now the conditional
Conditional.
statement. So conditional statement, we know if P is true and Q is false, then result conditional statement is false, right?
False. Otherwise, true.
Otherwise true. So we have to check between this
Sir,
one. So
second one
TF,
and fourth one. Yes, sir.
this one satisfy this F, right?
Yes, sir.
This one also satisfy this F. Am I right? According to the condition, we can write this to one and this one. It satisfies this conditional statement FF. So otherwise, it's so TF. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you repeat one more?
Again,
Yes.
Mehdi?
Yes.
Okay, Mehdi. This is the P and Q. These are two proposition, right? These two proposition given.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have write like this. Now negation of Q just negative, opposite. So here T means F, negation. F means T, negation of Q. Negation of T, F. Negation of F means T, right, Mehdi?
Yes, sir.
Negation done. Now you need to derive the compound proposition in between P and negation of Q. I mean this column and this column, third column. You need to make the compound propositions. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
relation? Disjunction, right?
Disjunction.
Disjunction. So disjunction means when both are false. That is false, right, Mehdi?
Yes, sir.
Disjunction means both are false. So here not this one is false. Only satisfy this. So we can write F, right,
Yes, sir.
Mehdi?
Yes, sir.
Because both are false. This one false, this one false. So according to the disjunction, we can write this F, and otherwise rest of are true, right, Mehdi?
Yes, sir.
Now coming here, we have done it. Now conjunction P and Q. P and Q. Conjunction means when both are true, right?
This time only true.
Yeah, so this T. So here only satisfy this T, conjunction. According to the definition of conjunction, we can write T, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, Mehdi? And
Yes, sir.
rest of our otherwise condition we have done.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the last line. This is an implication or conditional. Conditional statement says that if first one is true, second one is false. First one is true, second one is false, then conditional statement is false. Right, Mehdi?
Yes, sir.
So here between, you have to make relation between this column and this column. So here T. That does not satisfy this by conditional.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, conditional. This does not satisfy. Here this only satisfy. T and F. So you are moving from true to F, true to false. So
False.
true to false, the result is false.
False.
Right, Mehdi?
Yes, sir.
So you can write only this one. This satisfy this conditional statement. Otherwise, true.
Thank you, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Another thing, sir, how we will determine the number of inputs? Like here we take 4 inputs for each P, Q, and negation of Q. Every time we will take 4, or it will vary because of the inputs. Like P, Q. If there is another negation of P, then how input হোয়াট টু সে স্যার স্যার মানে কতটা ইনপুট নিব আমরা প্রত্যেকবার কি 4টা করে ইনপুট নিব প্রত্যেকটা রো এর জন্য নাকি আরো বেশি কম বেশি হতে পারে
Ruhul. Actually, here this compound proposition, right? This compound proposition define only P and Q, two proposition. This is a combination of two proposition, right, Ruhul?
ইয়েস স্যার
Here
Yes,
PQ. So there are only two proposition, and rest of are edited proposition, right?
okay sir, then
Already you
it
know
will be
maybe.
2 to the power 2. Yes, then it will be maybe 2 to the power 2. Yes sir.
Yes, but if there is P, Q, and R, yes, we are going to solve some math. So P,
Yes,
Q,
sir.
R, then it will be increasing, right?
Yes sir, then it will
It
be
will
2
be
to the power
8.
3.
2 to the power 3 means 8.
Yes sir, now
Okay.
I got it.
Okay,
Okay
next,
sir.
and inshallah next class I will solve some math, and আপনাকে যেটা আজকে লেকচার শিটটা দেওয়া হবে ওটাতে সলভ করে দেওয়া আছে একটা ম্যাথ। হ্যাঁ,
Okay sir.
okay, you can check there. So that's all for today. আজকে এই পর্যন্ত থাক। আপনারা কি বুঝতেছেন নাকি কঠিন হচ্ছে?
না স্যার, বুঝতেছি।
না স্যার,
বুঝতেছি স্যার।
বুঝতেছি।
আর একটু পার্থক্য করে পড়তে হবে, না হলে মিক্সচার হয়ে যাবে। প্রবলেমটা এই ক্ষেত্রে ভুল হয়, একটার সাথে একটা মিক্সচার হয়ে যায়, এটা একটু সতর্ক থাকতে হবে। আসিয়া তাসনিম রিক্তা প্রেজেন্ট। Ashia Tasnim Rikta.
Yes, sir. I am present.
Okay. Asaduzzaman Ashik.
Present, sir.
Asaduzzaman Ashik. Okay. Hadizjaman present. Selim Hussain
Present,
Shoak.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sakibullah Mian. Sakibullah Mian.
Yes, sir.
Moshiur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Abdullah Al Mahdi Hassan Sohag. Abdullah Al Mahdi Hassan Sohag. Israfil Hussain.
Sir,
Israfil
he was
Hussain.
present.
Israfil
Maybe his
present.
network problem.
Hamim present.
Sir, Israfil
Hamim?
present, sir.
Yeah, Israfil, I know. Hamim. Shadat Hussain Naim.
Yes, sir.
Anika Bushra. Niyaz
Yes, sir.
Murshid.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hussain MD Safat.
Yes, sir.
Safat present.
Yes, sir.
Bonni বিশ্বাস.
Yes, sir.
Nozrul Islam. Nozrul Islam. Redwan Ahmed Ratul.
Yes, sir.
Sheikh Mohammed Sadiqul Islam.
Yes, sir.
Rafi present. Tanjum Akhtar. Tanjum Akhtar. Tanjum Akhtar. Juliana Tonu.
Present, sir.
Mohammad Farjana Tania.
Yes, sir.
Israt Jahan Ira.
Present, sir.
Abdul Khalik.
Yes, sir.
Atik Paul. Anik Paul.
Yes, sir.
MD Sahin Iqbal. Farjana Akhtar Hima.
Present, sir.
MD Bayezid.
Present, sir.
Raida Fairaz Nasra.
Present, sir.
Romana Afroz.
Present, sir.
Lubna Akhtar.
Present, sir.
Lubna. Then Sabrina Akhtar.
Yes, sir.
Ifrat Jahan Lima. Abdul Latif Talukdar.
Yes, sir.
Shanta Chaudhary.
Sir, Abdul Latif is present, sir. Abdul Latif Talukdar, sir.
হ্যাঁ তালুকদার প্রেজেন্ট শান্তা
Okay,
চৌধুরী
sir.
Yes, sir.
রাহাতিল মাহমুদা
Yes, sir.
রুহুল আমিন প্রেজেন্ট মশিউর রহমান খাজা প্রেজেন্ট নাহিদা ইসলাম
Yes,
নাহিদা
sir.
ইসলাম
Yes, sir.
ওকে হুমায়ুন কবির
Yes, sir.
খন্দকার সাকিবুল হাবিব সাকিব
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
সঞ্জিতা খান মিতু
Yes, sir.
অর্চিতা রয়
Yes, sir.
সুমাইয়া ইসলাম শান্তা
Yes, sir.
কাজী ফারিয়া শাহ
Yes,
শারমিন শিয়াব সরওয়ার
Yes, sir.
জোবায়ের হোসেন জোবায়ের ছিল
Yes, sir.
MD Shahin Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Is anybody left, dear student? Okay, so
Sir,
that's all for
Umme
today.
Hani. Sir, Hani.
হ্যাঁ উম্মেহানি দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে
Sir, Farhan Labi,
Thank
you
you,
didn't
sir.
call my name, sir.
ফারহান লাবিব I know you are present, that's why দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে।
Okay, sir.
আমি
Thank you.
কিছু নাম ডাকি না যাদের আমি
Sir, Tanjum Akhtar
তানজুম
is
আক্তার
present. Yes, sir.
তানজুম আক্তার would you please tell me your ID?
18103115.
18103115 হ্যাঁ ও তানজুম আক্তার দেওয়া হয় নাই Is anybody left?
Sir,
Asad Rikta দেওয়া হয়েছে, sir.
Sir, Asudjaman Ashik.
হ্যাঁ রিক্তা দেওয়া হয়েছে
Sir, Asudjaman
Thank
Ashik,
you,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
রিক্তা দেওয়া হয়েছে
17103210, sir. Hello, sir. Asudjaman Ashik.